Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring the iPhone emoji keyboard is available. This lets Instagram render Apple's emoji style. Open Settings, go to General, then Keyboard, and add emoji. Once done, launch Instagram and open a post, story, or DM composer. Make sure you're in the text field. That triggers the keyboard switcher. Tap the globe icon to select the emoji keyboard. This first action places the exact iOS emoji set into Instagram. Now you'll pick and insert the emoji. Tap the globe or long press the spacebar to jump to the emoji keyboard. This ensures you're using Apple's glyphs. Use the search field for quick finds or browse categories and the recently used row for speed. Tap an emoji to insert it where the cursor sits. If you need multiple, type them in sequence or paste from notes. Make sure to preview in the composer. Instagram keeps the iPhone style when sent from iOS. Finish by formatting the emoji with spacing, line breaks, or surrounding text to match your style. Tap Preview or send a test DM to confirm the emoji render as iPhone style. This matters because recipients on non-iOS may see different designs. If emoji swap to a generic look, make sure your keyboard is still set to emoji and restart Instagram. If problems persist, reboot the phone or remove and re-add the keyboard. That usually resolves rendering or input glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.